Hello everybody, I am Oliwia Pankonin, Global Marketing and Training Officer at Nubia with a scientific expertise in cosmeceuticals. Today I have a great pleasure to welcome you to a #NSmart Pills of Science dedicated precisely to cosmeceutical science, a key part of Nubia holistic approach to daily support and enhance of aesthetic results. First of all, we will discuss the main needs of the skin before, during, and after aesthetic treatments. We will focus then on well-known molecules used in the topical cares and on formula choices and solutions of Nubia supported by scientific data. When it comes to essential topical needs of the skin at the different stages of the procedure, the most important are soothing irritation, that is to say, minimize redness and bring back comfort to the skin. Secondly, reinforcing antioxidant protection to ensure proper skin functioning. Thirdly, hydrolipid barrier restoration. That is a crucial step, especially before and after aesthetic procedures, because skin balance is often affected by treatments. In addition, a proper protective barrier of the skin reduces its sensitivity and increases its resilience to external factors. And the last one, cell renewal acceleration to enhance and prolong the results of treatment and make the skin regeneration even faster. This is what currently patients are looking for. Even if today's presentation will focus on the three aspects put in red, it is important to mention also the other needs of the skin which can be addressed by cosmeceutical solution to support aesthetic treatments as lightening pigment disorders, smoothing out skin texture, while reducing the level of skin sensitivity. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that have unpaired electrons on valence shell. By taking an electron from other structures, they directly damage cellular structural membranes, lipids, proteins, and DNA. The damaging effects of these reactive oxygen species are induced internally during normal metabolism and externally through various oxidative stresses. Various environmental factors, including sun exposure and air pollutant, can cause free radicals activity, and these free radicals induce damage to the skin by causing an inflammatory reaction. Antioxidants are substances that can provide protection by scavenging free radicals. Post-treatment topical aesthetic solutions should contain antioxidants to protect the skin against oxidative stress that triggers inflammation by inducing pro-inflammatory cytokines, causing faster aging. In addition, antioxidants present in pre-treatment care reduce inflammation and erythema after treatment thanks to their anti-inflammatory properties. Let's have a look at the second key skin need after treatment, that is restoration of skin barrier. This can be achieved by applying advanced moisturizer. When we imagine patient's skin after the treatment, the most important action that should be ensured in daily skincare is generally to rebalance and restore the hydrolipid barrier in order to strengthen skin resilience to external factors. What happens when the skin's protective barrier is compromised is, first of all, increased moisture loss, which also affects the regeneration rate after treatments and can trigger such conditions as skin irritation, contact dermatitis, or bacteria proliferation. With appropriate formulations normalizing the level of natural moisturizing factor and lipids, we can limit transepidermal water loss by increasing the level of hydration, providing skin comfort, and reducing its irritation. Another synergistic aspect of skincare with aesthetic treatments is the stimulation of cell renewal, where it's equally important to previous already mentioned. We have to remember that cells proliferation, differentiation, and growth requires a support, considering the fact that cells turn over time slow down with aging. And this is one of the reasons why skin can be rough, fragile, and needs longer time to rebalance and regenerate after aesthetic treatment. With aging, skin loses its firmness and elasticity as production of extracellular matrix components is weakened. The patient can help their skin to optimize renewal and at the same time prolong and enhance treatment outcomes by using specific cosmeceuticals. Additionally, cell renewal boosters can help to diminish metalloproteinases that break collagen down. Next very important advantage of regular use of this kinds of ingredients is thickening the skin, what has a high impact on decreasing skin susceptibility to irritation caused by more invasive treatments. When we think about cosmeceuticals that are a part of aesthetic protocols, they should be characterized by two complementary features. The first is an effective concentration of advanced active ingredients, which ensure high efficiency of the preparation. The second is at the same time a safe, non-irritating action on the skin through the use of advanced delivery system and balanced pH of preparations. Let's now dive deeper into the commonly used solution in the three areas mentioned above and discuss the distinctive Nuvia proposal designed by physicians for physicians. Antioxidants are very unstable. They may become oxidized easily. That is why stability of the molecule is essential to achieve effective protection. Ascorbic acid is a form of vitamin C predominantly used in topical cosmeceuticals. This molecule is very well known for its antioxidative properties. It provides proven photoprotection, demonstrating good result in preventing sun damage by decreasing sunburn cells and minimizing erythema during exposition to both UVA and UVB irradiation. However, the main challenge with this form is to maintain stability, as it is sensitive to UV radiation or air. Patients who apply product with ascorbic acid can experience a discomfort as irritation and stinging, especially with highly concentrated cosmeceuticals. The skin after treatments is often already irritated, so it is important that the product applied after do not aggravate this condition and remain safe. Nuvia designed an aesthetic cosmeceutical solution that consists 30% of the latest derivative of vitamin C called 3-O-ethylascorbic acid that performs excellent stability, hence high effectiveness. This molecule has also the most effective properties in stimulating collagen production compared to other antioxidants. Moreover, it has the smallest particle size of all vitamin C derivatives, which affects the penetration level. Antioxidant solution of Nuvia is called C-Shot. This advanced serum has antioxidant properties and strengthens skin protection against free radicals. Its efficacy was also proved in terms of collagen boosting and hyperpigmentation brightening. This aesthetic cosmeceutical is particularly recommended after treatments targeting signs of photoaging and skin laxity. C-Shot is a water-based formula with a short list of ingredients and with a balanced pH designed to be suitable for all skin types, even the most sensitive ones, to support skin stimulation before, during, and after treatments in a safe way. I am delighted to share the proven efficacy of C-Shot with you. The slide presents the results of in vitro test of photoprotective effect on DNA damage on human keratinocytes after treatment with C-Shot. The obtained data highlight that UVB irradiation is a stimulus capable to induce the activation of H2AX histone. Treating irritated cells with C-Shot determined a statistically significant reduction of histone gamma H2AX positive cells. Respect to positive control was equal to 13%. The results prove that C-Shot has DNA photoprotective effect. Another very well-known and potent molecule naturally existing in the skin is glutathione. It is one of the strongest antioxidants, called in other words, free radical scavenger. However, as many of them is unstable. Taking into account the effectiveness and skin tolerance, Nuvia uses a patented ingredient in its aesthetic cosmeceuticals that is a liposomal esterified glutathione. This solution provides excellent stability In addition, the liposome technology used in the serum protects the substance and increases the depth of penetration, providing better efficacy. Antiox serum was designed specifically to provide a powerful and targeted antioxidant protection in an urban context. Thanks to the antioxidant complex consisting of patented glutathione, 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, thiotic acid, and ubiquinone, and their synergistic action, it effectively prevents the skin against free radicals and air pollutants that can be a source of oxidative stress. This advanced serum is specially recommended for patients with uneven complexion, dullness, and cuperose-prone skin, as antioxidant protection is the most effective and preventative routine. Antiox has light texture and is suitable for event-sensitive skin. Let's have a look at Antiox serum efficacy. The chart presents the results obtained using in vitro tests on human keratinocytes. As you can see, Antiox serum impressively reduces reactive oxygen species level up to 42%. Let's now move on to the next aspect of aesthetic skincare solution, which is restoring skin barrier. The skin barrier is mainly ensured by the stratum corneum. Corneocytes and their internal structural proteins like filaggrin and loricrin form the blocks of the skin barrier, while the lipids form the cement attached by corneodesmosomes and functioning together to maintain the integrity of the skin barrier. This is why ceramides are commonly used in cosmeceuticals. Aesthetic cosmeceuticals of Nuvia include the ceramide complex that mimics intercellular cement components such as ceramides, cholesterol, and phytosphingosine. Those synergistic components infuse the skin with long-lasting moisture, helping to regenerate after procedures and diminishing skin sensitivity by really restoring hydrolipid barrier. Nuvia proposal of restorative solution is ceramide shield cream. This advanced moisturizer helps to reinforce hydrolipid barrier, alleviates irritation, and is highly recommended after aesthetic treatments and for patients with skin concerns such as sensitivity, dehydration, atopy, or redness. The dual mechanism of barrier restoration is to strengthen the epidermis through a complex of ceramides, while prebiotic peptides ensure the balance of the microbiome. It immediately soothes and increases hydration level, what was proved in vitro tests. Enrichment with Centella asiatica supports regenerating properties of the cream. Ceramide Shield contains a prebiotic peptide, heptapeptide 4, that performs excellent in vitro and in vivo efficacy in rebalancing microbiome and strengthening skin barrier, what defines long-term skin health, particularly in the context of skin aging. As you can see, the slide shows confirmation of the soothing effects of ceramide shield cream. The in vitro test was conducted on human TNF-alpha stimulated keratinocytes. The level of interleukin-6 responsible for the inflammation was decreased after 24 hours by 20%. It's time for the third aspect of supporting aesthetic treatments with cosmeceuticals, namely the acceleration of cell renewal, what means faster healing process, smoothing skin texture, and extracellular matrix redensification. Commonly recognized, scientifically tested, and used in cosmeceuticals to renew and rejuvenate the skin are acid and retinoids, mainly retinol. Retinoids are very well known to infuse a variety of cellular processes such as cellular growth, differentiation, and modification. Vitamin A derivatives encourage cellular turnover, stimulate synthesis of extracellular matrix components, and inhibit metalloproteinases. Retinol is well known as an anti-wrinkle ingredient. However, in high concentration, it often irritates the skin and can cause excessive exfoliation. Aesthetic cosmeceutical solution from Nuvia is a retinoid serum comprising a unique retin complex made of retinol, retinaldehyde, and bioretinol. Taking into account the safety and tolerance of the skin, Nuvia's expert decided to use molecules such as retinaldehyde, which has excellent efficacy and is the least irritative derivative of vitamin A, and bioretinol as an extract of Bidens pilosa, as effective as retinol but not irritating to the skin. Advanced aesthetic solution of Nuvia, retinoid serum, accelerates skin renewal, smooths skin texture, and improves its firmness, enhancing and prolonging the results of comprehensive anti-aging treatments, and should be implemented after ending of series. It's worth adding that retinaldehyde, which is naturally unstable, has been encapsulated in nanocapsules made of calcium hydroxyapatite, which protects the epidermis against irritation and supplements calcium, normalizing the renewal process. Highly effective and comfortable for use by patients. Let's now have a look at efficacy test. The charts show the efficacy of retinoids in stimulating cells proliferation. As you can see, retinoid serum increases the level of proliferative marker VRDU up to 43% after 48 hours from treatment on human fibroblasts. Another very important from the post-treatment point of view is that retinoid serum and this specific Nuvia blend, it's not irritating at all. What was proved by marginal increase of 2% in interleukin-1 alpha. To conclude, in anti-aging approach, antioxidant protection, skin barrier function, and cell renewal are key. For people undergoing aesthetic procedures, it's even more important to provide solutions that can be compatible with irritated and thin skin that can be induced by treatments. As we have seen, Nuvia's secret is precisely the choice of molecules, finding the right balance and efficacy to achieve short-term results and high skin tolerability. Last but not least, never forget that it takes between 21 and 28 days for the epidermis to renew completely. So it's absolutely necessary to accompany the skin daily with the right products to rebalance skin and achieve greater results. Thank you very much.